No tomorrow. Everyone ready to leave it all on the floor for this one.
Oo. And okay, interesting itong si Coach Cholo starting itong si Philip Panyamogan. Them niya will be a big help para sa Batangas.
Scoreless in game 2, Philip Panyamogan. Jodel Fuentes due for a big game. And Jodel Fuentes.
Hindi lang nga lang yung ticket yung problema, Sedel, pati yung parking.
Opiso for 3. No go and Quezon regains possession.
Oo.
Jodel Fuentes, 3-ball, good!
And later on, maybe, baka mamaya, talagang medyo mag-i-stay home na sila dito kay Jodel Fuentes.
Can you imagine as Seda Blasa finally puts Batangas on the board? Baloria, Opiso is there. Panyamogan drives, bigay kay Ambuluto, carving space, and John the Rock. Ambuluto continues to make an impact in Mundo. Philip gets it to Seda Blasa for 3. It's good.
Seda Blasa for 3.
Favorite spot.
Banal. 7 on the shot clock for Quezon. Banal drives middle. Banal, the teardrop. Ablaza puts the ball on the deck. Binabatay ni Sandagon. There's a quick double. LJ Gonzalez with a steal. Binigay kay Banal. Jodel Fuentes for 3. Good! That's the third triple.
Sa transition opportunity.
Absolutely, coach. Yung ibang coach magagalit eh.
Oo.
Pero hindi kay Jodel. Baloria, that's a tough shot. 14-10. 5 of 12 so far for Quezon, 4 of 10 for Batangas. CJ Isit for 3, good.
3 points, CJ Isit.
To make it 14 all, LJ Gonzalez, that's a 3.
LJ Gonzalez, 3.
LJ playing in leagues here at 16 years old. Sa open po, naglalaro as Jason Opiso scores.
Oo. And you know, again, the cut.
Since game 1,
Parang kahit sino yata makatapat ni Levy.
meron. At meron siyang laging
May kulay
masasabi. Oo. Hernandez. Oh,
Levy Hernandez.
Ibang klase na yung demeanor eh.
kaya nga.
Di ba? More focused, more mature. And this guy.
Jason Opiso, 8. Ay dito. Lagrama swings it over to Banal. Nice fake. Gab taken away by Isit. Hernandez will lay it in for 2.
Hernandez.
And CJ Isit has some words for Gab Banal.
Doon sa endgame.
Isit able to track down his own miss. 22-20. Chance for Batangas to tie. Ablaza gets that one to go.
And that connection.
Siyempre, you want to win it for your family. And, katuwang mo sila dito eh.
Exactly. And, that makes it more meaningful sa Delphi. When you play with a deeper purpose.
John Baloria. Beyond the arc for Quezon. They are 6 of 16. Ablaza into double figures. Said Ablaza. And they go to Abundo. Abundo, turnaround shot. He'll get the roll.
This guy.
Gusto ko tong roll ni... Ang maganda sa kanya, parang stabilizer nila to eh. Baloria, nothing but net on that jumper. Jong Baloria, it's an 8-point lead for Batangas. Gravera, jumper is good, and the Huskers have scored. Pwede nang ubusin ng Quezon ng oras dito. Topeng from way downtown. No, Gravera, offensive rebound. And a stick back para kay Rodel Gravera.
Oo. Ayun yung effect ng successful challenge sa that's creation and downhill attack.
LJ
Ayan.
inside. A beautiful baseline inbounds play. In the lane, CJ, no good. LJ Gonzalez comes away with a loose ball. LJ all the way! And we are tied at 36.
Ipigilan nila yung flow ng offense ng Batangas.
We're tied at 36. 12 turnovers apiece. Gabanal wants the ball against Hernandez. Gab shoots over Levy. Gabanal gives Quezon the lead. They want to go back to Gabanal. Banal spins and puts it in. Gabanal. Fuentes. To Topeng Lagrama. Back to Jodel for three.
In that first half. Yung energy niya.
De La Vergen drives. Binigay kay Valoria. Basket plus the foul.
This is good for John Valoria.
What a play there galing kay MJ De La Vergen.
Group ni Coach Cholo Villanueva.
LJ. The step back. Whoa! LJ!
Again, yung management kay LJ, you know?
Potential game clock and shot clock here in the third. De La Vergen heads it to Valoria. He gets it back from Apinan. Jong squeezing himself through traffic.
Run to perfect.
Gonzalez leading the way. Banal inside. Opiso, nice fake. Jason Opiso for two. Dos. Valoria launches the three. Too strong. Ang tapik ends up with Jexter Apinan. 2 points.
Apinan.
Wala sa depensa. Gonzalez drives
Banal.
baseline. Banal. Opiso is open. Banal has to shoot. Good!
Kakaroon ng opportunity pero winded na. Itong si Chris Porter.
They go back to Porter against Sandagon. Porter spins and puts it in.
Meron pa pala. Again. Hello.
Fuentes. Binigay kay LJ. Gonzalez will fire. And we are tied once again. Gab back out to LJ. Gonzalez, the switch on Hernandez. LJ drives. LJ scores!
And I think this is the best decision right now to put that ball in the hands of LJ Gonzalez.
Gonzalez against Ochea. LJ, step back three. Yes! LJ Gonzalez. Batangas under pressure. Ablaza will drive. Finds Porter inside the paint. 4-point game.
That's a quick one.
All players visited in front of
And
him.
Ablaza is free. Ablaza scores.
Ayun yung malaking bagay.
Quezon Huskers.
The Quezon Huskers ahead by 2.
Pa yung oras nila.
They pitch the ball to LJ Gonzalez. 2 points. What a
Great
play.
play. Great play there.
Topeng finds LJ Gonzalez. And they foul LJ Gonzalez. One for 2. 65-60. Apinan to inbound. 7 seconds remaining. He gets it back from Ablaza. To Ochea. Steps out to the 3-point line. No. LJ Gonzalez.
Again with the rebound.
And Quezon is your South Division champions. Winning a thriller over Batangas. The Huskers are going to Dubai to face the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. What a moment for their franchise. The final score is brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX 65, Quezon, Batangas 60. Another heartbreaking finish